Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Xbox 360 not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, check power supply connection. For this purpose, you have to unplug the power cables from the console, power supply and wall outlet. Wait for 10 seconds. Then reconnect cables securely. Connect the power supply directly to a wall outlet, avoiding surge protectors. Number 2. Inspect power supply LED. For this purpose, you have to see power supply is not receiving power. Try a different wall outlet. Solid green power supply is functioning. Proceed to the next step. If you see red or orange flashing, replace the power supply. Number 3. Perform a hard reset. For this purpose, turn off the console and unplug all cables. Wait for 10 seconds. Reconnect all cables and turn on the console. Number 4. Check for overheating. Check for adequate ventilation around the console. Place the console in a well-ventilated area away from heat sources. If the console is hot, let it cool for at least 1 hour before turning it on. Disconnect external accessories. Unplug controllers, external hard drives, or other peripherals. Attempt to turn on the console with no external devices connected. Number 6. Inspect for hardware issues. Check for visible damage or unusual signs on the console. If red lights appear around the power button, refer to the Xbox 360 error code guide. Number 7. Contact Xbox support. Visit the Xbox support Contact Us page to request further assistance or repair options. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical videos. Thanks for watching.